welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here back down at the Wisbech Incinerator construction site. As you can see, there's some changes. Looks like they've progressed on this, what I can assume is going to be the dump sort of side of it. Currently they are mostly on break, majority of the people, so it is a bit quiet right about now, but later on in the video you'll see that it will pick up when they all come back from break. Looks like they've made some changes here and there. A lot of this still looks relatively the same, just some slight differences here. As you can see, these two people, they're on their break. He's sitting down. A lot of these pipes are ready for being put underground for drainage, I assume. See, there's that excavator that I'd like. You can see also the compound area that was full of stuff has now been being cleared, and they're actually making a new section for drainage, I guess. And they've got some water being pumped into that dike, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. At the moment, I'm just taking a little bit of a look around, just seeing what's going on. Since I've last viewed the area, due to my drone being broken, I haven't been able to come down for a while. So now this is my new drone, a DJI Mini 5 Pro, instead of the 4 Pro that I had. The security hutch is there. A little bit of a look to see what was going on around this bit. The drilling rig, by the looks of it, still not able to see it in operation, which is a bit of a bummer, to be honest. Some new digging areas where they've been excavating. looks like they've built the side of this area up a little bit where this green track dumper is, green excavator is. Will disappear soon for a little while until they come back from their break. Just have a little look around what we can. And yes, they brought in 2 cranes. As you can see, I'm like zooming out a bit, trying to get a bit more of a shot of it. I'll get nice and high in a second and I'll get a better view of it from you. There we go, from another angle. You can see the size of the site is definitely a big one. Should hopefully get to see these cranes in operation later on when they get back from their break. Quite high up at this point, and I'm on full zoom, so I'm going to get a little bit lower if I can. Yeah, I think we'll come back in a little while. Here we go. I'm back, and they're all at work, starting up all their jobs. Whilst I was sitting in my car, I could hear them starting up some of the machinery, so I thought I'd better get back. Is these cranes operating yet? No. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, looks like they're leveling the ground by the looks of it. Take a look at this, see what's going on here. Oh look, they've got a roller down there. wonder what this is that they're doing right now. Some flat sheeting. I guess they're continuing the outer border by looks of it. Not something that I'd do. I'd actually be a bit panicking in case that happened to fall or I messed up, because I'm not that good when it comes to stuff like this. That roller's still going on down there. Just going backwards and forwards. Getting that nice and flat. Ready for some more work. Yeah, I'll go and see what else is going on in a minute. Possibly come back to this a bit later. I just took a little break and just come back again, seeing what's going on here. Looks like 2 manhole covers, maybe? Inspection hatches. See how they're getting on with this. Oh, they're still going on with it. It only stopped for about 5 minutes. I thought they would have had that in and done by now. And he's still rolling backwards and forwards. Yeah, I'll come back to this again in a little while. Is these cranes operating yet? Big one doesn't look like it is. I'll go over there in a little while. Just so fascinated with what's going on with this. Oh, has he finished rolling? He's getting out, and the other excavator looks like it's getting ready to lift it. I'll try and get back to that in a little while. There's just so much on this site that's going on and changed since I last visited. I'm trying to absorb it all right now. They're having a little meeting. Is this filled up with water? Not sure. Got some sort of machine down there. It'll be interesting to see how all this starts to look when it's getting close. Oh, what are they doing here? Oh, looks like they're burying another new pipe. Wooden surrounds in the two joins. I'm guessing they're gonna fill that with cement or build a wall around it at some point, maybe. A little building of some sort they've like erected just there. And two pipes going from there to the other side. Soon find out what these pipes will be used for. I'm guessing they're going to be water intake to whatever department will be in that area. Not sure exactly what material this is that they're actually using, because it's definitely not soil. I wonder if it's like a quick set cement of some kind. Maybe. A little roller just there. Oh, that looks like a little tiny mini digger going down there. Probably isn't. Well, no it isn't. Doubt they'll do diggers that small anyway. Still doing that one flat beam support, whatever it's called. Certainly been at that one for a while. Must be having a lot of trouble trying to get that into place. Occasionally I'll stop recording and then come back again till I see something else that's going on. And occasionally a little break here and there. Oh, looks like that crane is in operation. Check it out in a little while. There we go, I've made my way to the crane, see what's happening. Looks like they're preparing to build the wall around. By all that rebar, is it? Like it's sticking up. Nearly missed that. Just went to disappear and just noticed it was this machine coming along. I was spraying water by the looks of it, trying to keep the dust down. See how these people are doing now. Let's get a better shot of this. Sorry for the quick camera movements. Oh, they got it down. Looks like they've got that down. And he's getting ready to pick up another one. Certainly it's really nice weather today. It's getting quite hot. That dirt pile to the right has definitely got a lot higher. I would get in closer, but it's a bit of a risk of upsetting the guys. Yes, now preparing to put in this second one into place. Wonder if they stay in the ground when they've done, or whether they get pulled back out again. No idea. Judging by the one at the top there where the roller was in earlier, how that one's set up, they're going to get these ones put into place and then dig down, maybe. Try to hold all the dirt back, stop it caving in. Looks like they're just lining that up with the other one, getting into place. I guess they'll probably use
max altitude reached.
Down. So another quick little break, I think. Right, just come back again. Disappeared for about 15 minutes. Looks like they're on there. Third, fourth. Hard to tell from the drone on the little screen. Just saw a drone in this area. Just keeping my eyes out. Trying to see where this person is flying from, because he's certainly not around where I am. Can't see him anywhere down there. Not sure. I won't bore you with the video. I'll cut it out here and come back. Oh, as you can see, they've now built some of the wall up at the back there. I'm guessing that's what the people on there on the left are now doing. Yeah, let's take a quick look at this. Does look like water has been pumped down the bottom there. Strange. Either that or that's a pipe that's gone underneath and they've like put cement over the top, maybe. Yeah, possibly put some of that sort of pipe down there. He's building the floor back up again, bearing the sides in. So yeah, I'm guessing at some point they may actually use this Is that another site entrance or exit? Time will soon tell. Sorry guys, I know the video is getting a bit long now. We're around about the half-hour point, I believe. At least it will be with all the editing I'll be doing. These guys must be feeling the heat now because it's getting really warm. When I was in the car a little while ago, it was reading around about 26 at the time. And that was around about 45 minutes ago when I looked at that temperature. Thought he was lifting something out of there with the crane then, but obviously not. Must have just lowered something in there. Now getting something else. Oh, I believe it. I see what they're doing. Yeah, they're picking up those slabs things and lowering it down to where the rebar is or something like that. Building the wall up, and then they'll pour cement in between where you see the dark patches between the wall bits. That's what I think is going on. There's no way they've like literally building a wall. That was cement there and then. Not that quick. Oh yeah, they'll be lowering like slabs of some kind down. Got the pressure washer out. Looks like it. Cleaning in there maybe. Materials ready to be put together somewhere. Just got to be a bit careful because I've just seen somebody else flying their drone near me. Just have a quick little look and see what's going on here. So it looks like 1, 2, about 4, 5. Just have a couple more minutes, I think, and then I think we'll call it a day. Finally, see something on the crane actually being lowered in. I'm a bit too impatient. I don't stay in one area too long when there's so much going on. I need to learn to take my time a bit more. I think I'm doing alright so far today. Still getting used to my drone movements. Yeah, I still have line of sight of my drone. As you can see, I'm over there. Hi guys. There you go, it's me waving. Hopefully you can see that. I'll put a mark to show you in case I can't see it during editing. But yeah, I think I'll call it a day now, and I'll catch you next week. So later guys, bye.